best turkeys are smoked. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to grill an amazing turkey on the rotisserie directly over charcoal. I'm not a huge turkey fan, but if I'm going to eat turkey, I like them smoked off the grill. Check out my spatchcock turkey video from last year. This year I'm going to step up the difficulty a little bit, and I'm going to do turkey on the rotisserie directly over hot charcoal. I highly recommend to brine your turkey for at least 24 hours. That will ensure it's juicier and tastier. Then gently pull back the skin and expose the breast meat so that you can get a lot of seasoning on there. You can season your turkey very liberally. It can handle a lot of rub. For today's cook, I'm using Lane's Barbecue Signature Rub. Use butcher's twine to tie up the turkey's legs and wings so they don't flap around while turning on the rotisserie, and then tightly secure the turkey on the rotisserie spit. I'm using the FOGO Super Premium lamp for today's cook because I want a slow and steady fire. I'm going to cook this 15-pound turkey at 350 degrees for about 2.5 hours. One of my favorite side dishes are bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts. While they're in season, you can get them on the stalk, and it makes for a beautiful presentation. Wrap each individual sprout in bacon and then smoke them on the grill at around 350 degrees for about 40 minutes until the bacon is crispy. Alright guys, and the turkey is done, and what a ride it was. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the first rotisserie kind of gave up halfway through the cook, so I had to put the turkey on another rotisserie that I had. But I mean, you know, it just teaches you always have to have a plan B, you know, always be ready to adapt, to adjust, and you know, don't panic, just go with the flow and have fun. And I mean, in the end, the rotisserie cook is a lot of fun. It's a lot of action, and you know, you really get to play with the fire, and you get a great show out of it. Right, so we also did bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts, and I love these. I mean, the presentation on this is just absolutely incredible. I mean, check this out, like bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts, and it's so easy to do. This is the season also in November, and basically you just have to throw it on the grill. It's what, like about 45 minutes at low temperature, 350 degrees. The bacon just caramelizes and it comes out absolutely perfect. I mean, this needs nothing. I think we put just a little bit of olive oil on top of it, actually grapeseed oil, and salt. And here we go. It's awesome. Makes a great dessert and looks even better. All right, guys. Let's have a look at the turkey. So first you want to take off the butcher twine. It's holding everything together. Just carefully remove it. Don't want to eat that. Here you go. The legs are tied together. There you go. Come right off. Here's a little knot. That's it. Once that is removed, you can basically take apart your turkey. Let's start taking off the legs. Turn it around. Real simple. I'm gonna show you guys. Just make a nice incision here. Separate the leg. And then kind of just keep going down here. Find the joint. You can sort of take it apart. Look, it pulls like right apart. And you can use your knife to just take it off cleanly. There you go, really easy. And then here, again, just making a little cut. And find that joint. There you go. Make a little incision, and boom. You got a nice turkey leg, nice presentation, and your thigh as well, ready to go. Okay, and basically for the breast, you want to find that bone, the breastbone, right in the middle. Make your incision, and then come and see this. And then you want to kind of spread that bone apart a little bit and just use your knife and cut across, cut alongside the rib cage. Just cut that turkey breast right off. You see? It folds right off. There you go. Wow, all that steam from the turkey made the lens blurry and we had to clean it up. But here we are back with the turkey. I need another cutting board to put the turkey down. Here you go. All right, so let's look at what we have. Turkey breast, beautiful. Skin. And you can slice right into the turkey. Look at that, super juicy. Beautiful. Look at this. Really nice. Really, really nice. Okay, let's try it out. Okay. For me, the key is a good brine. You always want to brine a turkey for at least 24 hours. This is good stuff. I really like it. Wow. And then, thinking about it, let me give you another trick. You know, the turkey obviously is crazy hot. You saw how it was super steamy. So what I do is, I actually put on a cotton glove and then a plastic, like a PVC sort of glove on top of it. And that cotton glove kind of insulates you against the heat. Here the glove actually ripped, you can see it. So I have that cotton glove underneath. And that insulates me against all that heat, so that it lets me handle hot objects like a turkey or even, just grab stuff right off the grill without burning myself. And a little trick here for the backyard barbecue. But yeah, I mean, so you have many different options how to do your turkey for Thanksgiving. But I think the whole rotisserie thing is pretty cool. It makes a good show. So especially if you have people over, if families over, while you're doing the turkey, this is really cool, really awesome. You get that amazing flavor, you get that fire show, that playing with the fire, really managing your fire and cooking your turkey over open fire. And it comes out absolutely spectacular. I mean, just make sure you brine it for about 24 hours, and then you always get nice, moist, and juicy turkey. All right, guys. I hope I showed you another way of how to do a turkey today. And if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. See you again next week, and happy Thanksgiving!